Hello, OGS community. My name is Carrie Moran, and I'm the Director of Systems and Communications for OGS. I'm here to get you excited about the classes in our gardening track. The knowledge contained in these classes is applicable to farmers, gardeners, and home growers. Plus, you'll learn about the importance of gardens to local sustainable food systems. OGS board member and owner of Lion Paw Botanicals, Tyranny Shania, gets us started with a workshop titled Gardening for Resiliency, where she invites us to her circle of learning. Beyond just talking about resilient plants, Tyranny delves into the presence of spirit in the garden and finishes off with a discussion on collaborative and cooperative engagement in land projects. Up next is a lively and engaging class from the crazy botanist himself, Derek Haynes. Derek's Gardening Victoriously Raised Beds and Greenhouses class is practical, inclusive, and as close to hands-on as you can get with a virtual workshop. In addition to raised beds and greenhouses, he also covers seed selection and planting techniques. Finally, if you're a seed nerd, The Seed Garden, Planning for Seed Saving and Lots of Vegetables with Pam Dolling and Ira Wallace is simply delightful. Pam is basically a seed encyclopedia and gives a comprehensive overview of how to select, grow, and process seeds. Ira gives us a slice of life in the garden, including the soon-to-be famous ochre dance. See if you can spot the rainbow when you watch. I'm super excited about this track and hope you'll join us for these 3 diverse and delightful sessions with amazing presenters.
To grow one's own food is an act of anarchy. It is an act of independence, and it is an act of self-love. To garden victoriously is to recognize that George Washington Carver represented Black excellence, botanical badness, and horticultural heroism. To record a commercial for the Organic Grower School is to remember that sometimes my sound doesn't work and I have to re-record things on the fly. I am Derek Haynes, the Crazy Botanist, and I will be speaking at the Organic Grower School Spring Conference, the virtual Spring Conference. Join, learn, watch the videos, and let's cultivate knowledge. Let's grow and Google together, and let's just come together and have a ball. I'm always thankful for any opportunity, and I hope you tune in and join us.